Good day viewers, you're welcome. Let's solve these nice and interesting functional equations. We're given f of x minus 3 plus f of 2 equals x plus 1. Our goal is to find f of 6, and I'm going to be solving this question in two different ways. But before I get started, how do you solve this? You can pause this video and drop the answer in the comment box. Let's solve this step by step, considering the solution as the first method. So I need f of 6. If I start from x minus 3 and I let it to be another variable, let's say I let x minus 3 equals t, for instance, then we are going to have to make x the subject of the formula, and here we have x equals t plus 3. Then we come back to the given questions and we are going to do the replacement. So therefore we have f of t instead of x minus 3, then plus f of 2 equals, for x plus 1 we have it as t plus 3 plus 1. Then here is f of t plus f of 2 equals t plus 4. So moving on, let's make this f of t the subject, as we have f of t equals t plus 4 minus f of 2. So this is the equation we are going to be using. Then the next step is I need f of 6, but it's not easy to get f of 6 at an insight. We have to get f of 2 first. If I let t to be equals to, we have this as f of 2 equals, this is 2 plus 4 minus f of 2. So making f of 2 the subject of the formula, we take this minus f of 2 to this side, and both of them becomes 2 f of 2 equals 6. Let's divide both sides by 2. So if 2 cancel 2, we have f of 2 equals 3. So this is the first thing that we need in this equation. And let's come back to the start equation here. Since we have gotten f of 2 already, we then have f of t equals t plus 4 minus 3. And our new f of t is t plus 1. So we have gotten f of t. So we have gotten f of t to be t plus 1. So it will be very easy to make t equals 6 as what we are looking for. Therefore we have f of 6 equals 6 plus 1, and that gives us 7. So this is the first method and the solution to the first to the given question that we're asked to find, f of 6 equals 7. And let's consider the second method. The question says f of x minus 3 plus f of 2 equals x plus 1. And we are just coming to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. And let's see this second method. What I will do here is, if I substitute directly, since I need to get f of 6, so instead of letting this one to be t, you can just try to provide solution to f of 2 first. And what we do is, we are going to replace this x minus 3 to be equals 2. And there are two things we need here. we need f of 2 and we need the value of x. So we have to let this 1, which is the domain of the first f, to be equals these 2. And we get the value of x as 2 plus 3, which equals 5. So since x equals to 5, we take back the substitution as we have f of the new x now, which is x minus 3, is 2, or we can just replace x with 5. We have 5 minus 3, then plus f of 2 equals 5 plus 1. Here is f of 2 plus f of 2 equals 5 plus 1, that gives us 6. And then f of 2 plus f of 2 gives us 2 multiplied by f of 2 equals 6. And if I divide both sides by 2, we are going to get the result of f of 2, just as we did earlier, as 3. So if f of 2 equals to 3, then we are going to substitute back, and we substitute back into the first equation, which is our f of x minus 3 plus f of 2 now is 3 equals x plus 1. So let's transfer this 3 to other side, and we make f of x minus 3 the subject of the formula. So we have f of x minus 3 equals x plus 1 minus 3. So this gives us f of x minus 3 equals x minus 2. At this point only, there are two things we can do. So since we need to get f of 6, and what will be the value of this x that will make this one equals 6? That is when we let x equals 9. So if x equals to 9, we get f of 6, and 9 minus 2, that gives us 7. That is one way of doing this. Or we will firstly look for x without guessing it. And how can we do that? It's just by letting x minus 3, which is this one, to be equal 6. So if this equals 6, we get 9. Or the best approach is to guess the value of x here, which is equals 9. At this point, we get the same answer. So therefore, if I replace this x with 9, we are going to get our f of, we have our f of 9 minus 3 equals 9 minus 2. And for 9 minus 2 equals to 7. So therefore, our f of 6 equals 7. This is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Never stop learning. Bye bye.